5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So as we discussed last week, today we are going to have a small presentation on Keynotes, which is one of the excellent features in Apple in order to make presentations. So no matter which device you're using, whether you're using a iPhone, whether you're using a MacBook or you're using your iPad, using this particular feature, you can make some excellent presentations. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first, let's click on this icon which says Keynote. I click on this, and then I click on the plus icon which is on the top right hand side. When I click on this, it will ask me to choose a theme. So I click on this, and then it gives me an option to choose from basic, minimal, bold, editorial, portfolio, craft, textured. Let's say I choose in portfolio industrial. Okay, so when I click on industrial, then at the bottom left hand corner there's another plus sign. When I click on this, it gives me different type of slides available as an option within this particular theme. So let's say I select this one to be my second slide. So I'm done there. So then what I can also do is, if you see in the top there's a brush sign also, so I can click on that, and then it again gives me different options for the slides within this theme. And then if in the appearance in the background I want to make any changes, I can change the image also, I can change the size also, stretch it, whatever I want to do, I can do that, and then I go back. Okay, then in the top there's another plus sign. So when I click on the plus sign, I can add tables, I can add charts, I can add objects. There's a huge variety of objects which are available. So let's say geometry, objects, animals, nature, food, symbols, education, arts, science. There's a lot to choose from. Then there's another tab which gives me an option to add photo, video, camera. I can record audio, I can put a live video, web video, so on and so forth. So now I've crossed that. Then the next one is another small plus with a face in a circle. By clicking on this, I can save this presentation to my iCloud. And then next to that, there's a round with 3 dots. If I click on that, it gives me an option to share the file, to export the file, to print the file. I can choose slide view, or I can choose light view, whatever I'm more comfortable with. So I go back to slide view as I'm more comfortable there. Then it also gives me an option that I can put animations, which is going to be more of a transition. So I can choose transition from one slide to the other. I can also select soundtracks, I can put passwords, and then there is a very interesting feature called allow remote control. So when I click on allow remote control, what this will probably do is I can use another Apple product as a remote control to present this particular presentation from my phone. So let's say I've got a MacBook and I've got a iPhone. So I can use my iPhone as a remote to present from my MacBook. Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm sure you guys have already subscribed to the channel. So stay connected, press the bell icons, share your comments so that we know how well we are doing or which are the areas we have to improve. So let's connect next week again with another interesting topic. Take care.